In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Telegram chat. We'll walk through the simplest method on Telegram desktop or Telegram web, and I'll share a few tips so you know exactly what to expect before you click delete. First, open Telegram on your computer. You can use the desktop app, or, if you prefer a browser, go to web.telegram.org. Once Telegram loads, make sure you're looking at the main screen where your chats appear in the left sidebar. That list shows your one-on-one conversations, groups, and channels all in one place. Next, find the conversation you want to remove and right-click it. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click or holding the Control key while clicking works the same way. This opens a small menu directly tied to that chat, so you're making changes only to the conversation you selected. From that menu, choose Delete Chat. Be careful here, because you may also see options like Mute, Archive, or Pin. Delete Chat is the one that actually removes the conversation from your chat list. Clicking it won't immediately erase anything. Telegram will ask you to confirm first, which is helpful if you clicked by accident. When the confirmation prompt appears, review it and make sure you're deleting the correct conversation. Confirm the deletion and Telegram will remove the chat from your chats list. That's it. The conversation disappears from the sidebar, creating a cleaner, less cluttered space. A couple of notes to keep in mind. Deleting a chat on your side removes it from your view across Telegram desktop and Telegram web because they're connected to the same account. It doesn't necessarily delete messages for other participants. If you're cleaning up for privacy or organization, this is a quick way to keep your list tidy. If you think you might need something from that conversation later, consider saving important files or screenshots before you delete, since restoring a deleted chat isn't straightforward. If you ever change your mind, you can always start a new conversation with the same person or rejoin a group if it's still available. But for clearing out old or inactive chats, this method is fast, consistent, and safe. And that's all you need to do. Open Telegram on desktop or web, right-click the chat, choose Delete Chat, and confirm. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your Telegram workspace neat and focused.